Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. I'm still being grateful for my ex. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Geneva back with another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a drawstring ponytail, something really quick and easy, nice for the holidays if you have somewhere to go. So today we're going to need some beeswax, some gorilla snot, a hard brush, and some pins. Before getting started, make sure that your hair is nice and moisturized. And also you're going to need 3 scrunchies and a wide tooth comb. So in order to achieve a really sleek ponytail, we're going to section off our hair into 3 sections and make sure that we comb it thoroughly so that way it's really nice and smooth and sleek. And guys, you don't have to blow dry your hair. I'm using the option of not blow drying my hair. For me, I don't really care if my hair is a texture different than the ponytail as long as you apply a good amount of gel and really get it smooth. So after you finish sectioning off your hair and combing it through, make sure that you get a nice generous amount of gorilla snot to apply to your hair so you can really get that smooth and sleek look. So now I'm just going to join the other sections to that top ponytail and just really smooth it out. And again, I don't really care to apply too much gel because I don't care if my hair is a different texture than the ponytail. Again, the whole purpose of putting gel is to really smooth it out to get that sleek look. So now I'm going to make the ponytail into a little bun, just so that way the ponytail has something to hold on to. So now that we have our drawstring ponytail, you want to comb it out to make sure that it's just as smooth. And the first step is just to pretty much take the comb part and tuck it into the front part of your ponytail, and then do so with the back. And then after that, you're going to adjust the drawstring to whatever is comfortable for you until you feel that it's secured. And then after that, I'm just taking a piece from the side of the ponytail and I'm going to wrap that around the base of the ponytail so that way it just gives it just an unclockable look. Really, we don't want people to see that we have a drawstring or a clipped-in ponytail. And as you're adjusting that base, make sure that you pin everything securely so that way we have no flyaway hairs and that it just looks really nice and neat. So next I'm just going to go in with my beeswax. I'm just going to apply a generous amount to my hands, rub them together, and then rub it through the ponytail so that way it just keeps everything in place so we have no flyaways, and again, just don't want to be clockable, so this helps to really achieve that look. Now I'm just gonna grab my do-rag, aka my silky, just to wrap it around my hair to really give it that nice and sleek look, to keep everything down. And that's all, folks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe.